I've been discussing with a couple of other colleagues regarding this topic. Is gardening in danger of AI? Well, based on the information I personally have seen on a lot of the social media, the information is basically wrong. Local gardeners will provide you, and local experts will provide you with the right information for you to succeed. I encourage you, when you go to do an internet search, to look at that first part of information that's produced, which is a summary, and ignore it. Most of the time, that is an AI summary of what it is interpreting, and quite often completely irrelevant. I read them because I do find it amusing and also incredibly disappointing that that is what people are reading and following for gardening advice. As I said, ideally, I would like gardeners to follow, to listen, and to take the advice that people who live in your area have experienced over the years and are passing on that knowledge. So whether it's myself or someone else, find your local people and follow them. It's far better than following an AI that just plucks information out from different locations, throws it together in some weird sentence structure and paragraphs, and thinks that it's suitable for you. In most cases, it's not. So please look for relevance in your climate zone and choose those people to follow on social media and, of course, on YouTube. Thank you for listening. This is Paul Plant Horticulture. If you like the garden tip, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.